Hi everyone, uh, this is a practicum on teaching with a multimedia e-content and social networking. Okay, this is a B.Ed first semester practicum with subject for B.Ed on and EPC 1. Okay, see how practicum is look like. First of all, content. In content, first introduction. Second one is how social networking works. Third, advantages of social networking. Fourth, disadvantages of social networking. Fifth, the most popular social media. And sixth, examples of social networking. Seven, conclusion and results. Okay. Now, introduction. What is introduction? This is introduction of social networking. Social networking is the use of internet-based social media sites to stay connected with friends, family, colleagues, customers, or clients. Social networking can have a most purpose, a business purpose, or both through sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Social networking has become a significant base for marketers seeking to engage customers. Despite some stiff competition, Facebook remains the largest and most popular social networks with 2.8 billion people using the platform on a monthly basis as of December 31, 2020. It was followed in order of popularity by Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Pinterest, according to studies. Okay, now how social networking works? Social networking involves the development and maintenance of personal business relationship using technology. This is done through the use of social networking sites such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. These sites allow people and corporations to connect with one another so they can develop relationships and so they can share information, ideas, and message. Social networking is commonly used by marketers so they can increase brand recognition and encouraging brand loyalty since it makes a company more accessible to new customers and more recognizable for existing customers. Social media marketing helps promote a brand's voice and content. This is how social networking works. Now, what are the advantages of social networking? There are many more advantages of social networking, but in this practicum, we collect some of the advantages of social networking. These are the advantages. First of all, first one is connecting the world. Connecting the world. Okay, nowadays, internet through internet social networking like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, okay, and many more social networking sites. World are connected. Okay, so social networking basically connect the world. Now, second one, get to know what happened around the world. Okay. Third one is advertising, relaxation, information sharing, organize and participate events, based job search platform like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, etc. Now, what are the disadvantages of social networking? Okay. Beside advantage, there are many more disadvantages of social networking. Okay, first one lacks emotional connection. Okay, second one gives people a license to be harmful. Decrease face-to-face communication skill. Nowadays, there is a video call like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp. Okay, there is a video call site user, so gives people decrease face-to-face communication skill. Okay, conveys authentic expression of feelings. Inauthentic expression of feelings. Diminishes understanding and thoughtfulness. Okay, cause face-to-face interaction to feel disconnected. Facilities laziness. Cyberbullying is a growing problem. Cybercrime. The most popular social media. What are the most popular social media? Okay. These are the, first of all, Instagram. Long the home of influencers, brands, bloggers, small business owners, friends, and everyone in between. Instagram has topped all over 1 billion monthly users. Okay, YouTube. Okay, nowadays YouTube is the most popular site. Okay, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, etc. Now, what are the examples of social networks? Facebook, the social networks. The Facebook.com launched in February 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg. Harvard students who signed up for the service could post photographs of themselves and personal information about their lives, such as their class schedules and clubs they belong to. Total users of Facebook is 1.59 billion approximately. Now, Twitter was created in March 2006 by Jack Dorsey, Evan Williams, Bill Stone, and Douglas. By July 2006, the site was launched. Okay, total users 974 million approximately. Now, what are the conclusion? This is conclusion of social networking. Very short conclusion. A social networking service, also social networking site or social media, is an online platform which people use to build social networks or social relationships with other people who share similar personal or career activities, backgrounds, or real life connection. Okay. Now, finished. Thank you. If you like my video, then please like, subscribe and share.